Hello teachers, as you know that nowadays unit tests are being conducted online and with the help of the Google Forms. So there is a problem when a teacher is teaching the same subject in the different sections of the same class. Suppose I am teaching physics in class 10th A and class 10th B. So when I will send the link of the Google form to the students, then students will submit their response and these responses of both the section students will be collected at one place. So in order to analyze their result, and we have to separate their responses according to the section wise. How will you avoid this? How will you ensure that these responses are submitted section wise? So for this you have to make the copy of the same Google form, so that you send one original one to the one class student, one section students, and the copied one to the other section students. Therefore, when students will submit their response, what will happen? It will be collected section wise. So this you can do by going in the Google Forms, and that I am going to explain you. Either you can do with the help of laptop, or by using mobile phone, opening the Google Chrome in the desktop mode. So see, here I am doing through the mobile, and this mobile is since signed over some different Gmail account, so I will select mine. So see here, this is first you open Google Chrome. Now Google Chrome is opened. You write here Google Forms. It is already written, so I have clicked it. It's clear. Then Google Forms free online survey form, that you can click. It's clear. Now here it is not over mine, so first I will select desktop site is selected. Since it is not in my account, so I will select my account. So see here, where is, yes, you can see from here I can select my account, PK Agnihotri 69. Once again I am doing the same and select the desktop site. This is selected. Now go to the Google Forms. Now this will be opened. This is opened on some other account, so you can change the account by clicking the profile photo. When you will touch the profile photo here, since it is signed on, this same phone is signed on to different Gmail accounts, so I am selecting mine one. It's clear. So after selecting, all the Google Forms which I have prepared will be opened. You can see here, these are opened here. It's clear. Suppose you have to make the copy. So I am taking this one, class 12 physics, which I prepared on 22nd April. It's clear. This is, you open this. This will be opened here. After opening, what will you do? You click these three dots which are on white screen near the profile photo. It's clear. You will get preview, setting, undo, star, make a copy. You make a copy. It's clear. Here you can change the title. It's clear. You can write the question paper of 12th A, question paper of 12th B. It's clear. Then here you tick it, share it with the same people, and then OK. It's clear. Now it has been copied. There is one original one and the other one is the copied one. Now you can say, suppose this is the copied one, you can send it to the 12th B student. How will you send that? You know, here you click this triangle, then you go send via email, link. So using link, sort in the URL sort in, copy the URL, and then you send it to the one class student and original one to the second class, other class students, other section students. So this way you can make the copy. It's clear. Thank you.